Today I'm going to make for you one of my favorite refreshing drinks, and that is Mango Lassi. The same Mango Lassi you will pay for at restaurants. It's so simple, cheap and easy to make. So let's get started. First you will need a tin of mango pulp. You can get them from any Asian supermarkets. Make sure you keep the tin in the fridge for a while before you make the lassi, so it gives you that extra cool taste. Next, what we got is plain natural set yogurt. If you don't want to use yogurt as an alternative, you can use ice cream if you wish. Some ice cubes to add in the blender, keeping the lassi extra cool. Whole milk to thin down towards its desired consistency. A mixture of toppings we can add later. We got some pistachios that were broken by hand, some almond flakes and chocolate flakes. So first pour in 400 ml of mango pulp. Then add 500 grams of yogurt. I believe that will be the full tub. Add some ice cubes. Secure the lid and blend for a minute. Check the taste and consistency, make sure it's not too thick. Add sugar if it's not sweet enough. Right, I need to thin this down, so I'll add 2 glasses of milk and a few more ice cubes. Blend again for a minute or two. Check the consistency again, and now it's looking perfect to drink. It's time to serve and decorate. Sprinkle some almond flakes and pistachios. There are other nuts or toppings you can add to give you that extra taste. Adding chocolate flakes to Mango Lassi maximizes the delicious taste, giving you that extra kick in sweetness. And there you have it guys, a refreshing summer drink for your family and friends to enjoy. The remaining lassi in the blender, you can pour that into an empty bottle to be left in the fridge, and always serve chilled. Once you're craving for some more, just shake and pour. Enjoy.